In this problem, we're given a line with a slope of -4/3 and it contains the point -2, 1. The directions say to start by plotting the point in the graph using the point tool, which is located down here. Click it. Plot the point -2, 1 by starting at the origin, moving 2 units to the left in the x direction, 1 unit in the positive y direction. Click to plot a point. Step 2 is to use the slope to find 2 other points, one to the left and one to the right of the one we just plotted. So what I'm going to do is start by writing the slope as rise over run here, and I'm going to write it in 2 different ways. First, I'm going to write it as -4/3 with the negatives on the 4. Second, I'm going to write it such the negatives on the 3. Notice that these two fractions have the same value. Both of them are -4/3. It doesn't matter if you put the negative on the top or the bottom. I need to do this so that I can find a point to the left and one to the right. For example, if you think of slope as rise over run being -4/3, in this representation the rise would be negative, which means to move down, in this case 4. The run is a positive value, which means to move to the right 3. So what this means is that in a minute I'm going to go to the graph and start at the point -2, 1 and simply move right 3 and down 4 and plot another point. So here we are at -2, 1. I'm going to move right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, plot a point. That'll be my point to the right. Start over at the point -2, 1 again. This time I'm going to think of the rise over run as being +4 over -3. So this time my rise is +4, which means to move up 4. My run is negative, which means to move to the left. So I'm going to repeat, starting at my original point, -2, 1. This time I'm going to move left 3 and up 4. So here we are, -2, 1, move left 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, plot my point. This looks like a line now. In fact, step 3 is to graph the line, and we do that using the line tool. The line tool is right here. You click on it, pick any of the 3 points, click your mouse button down and hold it, connect the line to the other dots, let go of the mouse button, and you've drawn the line, and you've done step 3. Step 4 is to write the ordered pairs for each of the points, and we do this over here. It says the left point has coordinates of, and it wants me to type them in. So the one to the left of the original had coordinates of -5, 5. So in proper form, I'll type in left parenthesis, -5, 5, right parenthesis. The right point that we picked, or plotted, had coordinates, start at the origin, I'd have to move to the right 1 and down 3. So that has coordinates 1, -3. You put that in parentheses, and basically I've done all 4 parts.